to another Buenos Aires vlog. This vlog is extremely special because we are traveling across Buenos Aires to discover some of its hidden gems that you may not know of. And this video is perfect for people who are spending more than 2 weeks in Buenos Aires. Like if you've gone to Recoleta, Palermo, Belgrano, Plaza de Mayo, Puerto Madero, like all of the touristy places, and you're looking for some new fun activities to spend your time or places to see and visit, this video is for you. We are starting our day off today in Recoleta, which I know people are going to be like, you're talking about hidden gems and you're bringing us to Recoleta first today. Trust me, I know, but we are in Calle Arroyo today, which is such a beautiful and aesthetic street in Buenos Aires. And I did not know about this my first time coming here to Buenos Aires, but it's perfect for those looking to get a good Instagram picture, looking to eat at a cute spot for lunch or brunch or breakfast. And it's just beautiful. It's so stunning. It's like a hidden gem in Recoleta. It's so beautiful. The number one advice that I could give someone if you're in any city and you're just kind of feeling immune to like the beauty of it, and if you kind of forgot a little bit how you felt when you first walked into the city for the very first time, it's to discover the city again, but like from a tourist point of view. Like be a tourist in your city. It will just make you fall in love with any city again. It's really easy to just like wake up and do your normal routine every single day, but if you can push yourself to get out into whatever city you're in and enjoy it and appreciate it, you're gonna love it so much more. Like, are we kidding? Are we absolutely kidding with this background behind me? Are you so kidding? It's beautiful here. Like literally like kind of nervous to try this one. It's almost giving me the ick a little bit. Unfortunately, I was going to share with you guys one of my favorite chain restaurants that we're in right now. It's called Dandy. We've come here like so many times before, but I can't recommend it in today's video because the food really was not that good. So I'm going to take you guys to a new place that I haven't showed before on the vlog, but it's actually a hidden gem, trust me. We're gonna go there next. And our next place is Palacio Paz in Retiro, and inside the palace is a very nice cafe, and I'm gonna see if we can go in there so I can show you it, but it's so pretty inside, and to like eat in a palace, there's nothing else like it. And there's a restaurant inside and outside as well. It's so elegant in here. It's so classy. It would be a perfect like date idea if like you're trying to impress someone. I tried to show as much as I could, but I think you guys get the idea. And another big tip that I have for people coming to Buenos Aires if they don't speak Spanish is to like literally just be nice, just smile, because people so much more appreciate people who are just nice or like trying to understand and being polite compared to not being polite. I know sometimes it's difficult if you don't know the language going to a different country, but like being nice can get you so far.
We've been here for so long and we have yet to eat at one of these shops. I think it's called like comida por peso. You get like a buffet of food and then you weigh it at the end to see how much it is. It always looks good to me, but my standards are very, very low. But one thing I do see, I see workers get it a lot, so that must mean it's good. There's one specifically, even if it's like in a random neighborhood that you like know is good, let us know because I'll go out of my way to go to a good one for my first time.
To you guys if you're into like Asian culture, Japanese food, Korean food, things like that. One of them is Mercat Villa Crespo in Villa Crespo. It's very close to Palermo if you're staying within the Palermo area. It's like this really nice establishment with like so many different Asian inspired restaurants. And the second one is literally like a famous, like really, really well-known Japanese restaurant, La Casa Nueva Japonesa. And the food there is literally delicious. I highly, highly recommend. I've been there a few times and the food is absolutely delicious. It is so good. We actually need to go back there. Today we are continuing the vlog and we are in Caballito, which I don't think I would consider Caballito to be a hidden gem for tourists, but if you haven't made your way over to this area, I highly recommend. We are exploring a little bit today to talk about some more hidden gems. You probably know the big ferias in and around Buenos Aires, like La Feria de San Telmo, La Feria de Recoleta, but if you go to any park, like any big park, specifically on the weekend, you're gonna find really useful ferias, like not just like touristy souvenir type things, but also things you could like buy for your house, antique stuff, vintage stuff, just really good things. Know this, but back in the day with all the dinosaurs were roaming around in Argentina. There was a really big population of them here, and behind me there's like a museum kind of dedicated to that. So if you haven't checked out this museum, I highly recommend it. And if you come down to Caballito, you can easily spend a full day just in this area. Like you go to the museum, you can walk around this feria we just went to. We're about to head into a park and we're going to talk about some more cool stuff. It's really nice and it gives you more of like a residential feel of Argentina. So obviously we were in Parque Centenario. I would definitely consider this to be a hidden gem. Surprisingly, Michael and I came here for our very first vacation in Buenos Aires because he wanted to go to that museum we talked about, and it was so cool. Like even if it is winter, push yourself to go outside if you can, bundle up, have a picnic, like you can still do all the fun things. So this park I definitely recommend. Also, there's another good park in Caballito. It's called Parque Rivadavia. And I really recommend that park, especially if you want to go book shopping, because they have this whole section of books, kind of like the one we just saw here at the feria, but there's like so many more books, a lot of new books too for really good prices. And one more park that I wanted to recommend to you guys is Parque Chacabuco. We've been there on the vlog and that park is really cool. It's so big, it's so diverse. And if you are into running like on a track, they have a track there. There's not many tracks that I've seen in Buenos Aires. We are in Havana right now, and I wanted to bring up some really nice bookstores slash cafes that you could potentially go into if you are a reader. Eterna Cadencia is a really good one. I think it's in like the Palermo area. You guys know we've been to Libros del Paisaje, and I'm always looking for other bookstores slash cafes. So if you have any that you would want to recommend, please let me know down below.
There's one more cafe bookstore that I forgot to recommend. It's called Nasky. It's in Vija or Tussar. It's a newish one. I think it came out like 2 or so years ago. This one's really pretty and you can't miss this one either.
But Havana's really good too. When I first came to Buenos Aires, I didn't know that the Havana alfajores were as popular and as good as they actually are. And it's also really common for people here when they go back to the US or wherever they're from, if they want to give souvenirs, to like gift a box of Havana alfajores. So if you're here looking for a gift to give, that could be a really nice gift to give too.
Parts about living in Buenos Aires, Argentina was the weather, except for the fact that today there were like 100 news stories saying that it may snow in Buenos Aires this week, which is kind of crazy. And it's actually very funny that I can even understand the news here in Buenos Aires. When I first came to Buenos Aires, I was really not confident in my Spanish. And all this growth, feeling confident in my Spanish, would not be possible without the sponsor of today's video, which is Worlds Across. Worlds Across is an online Spanish learning platform founded here in Argentina. They have tutors in Argentina, which I love. I primarily book classes with their Argentine tutors that help me practice my understanding and my accent, but they also have Spanish tutors in various other Spanish-speaking countries. You can take one-on-one classes with them. You can take group classes with them. If you're the type of person who likes to learn in group settings, this is perfect for you. And you guys know I did an interview with Worlds Across a little bit ago. They also have a YouTube channel where they have their own Spanish podcast if you're looking to immerse yourself even more. So thank you again to Worlds Across for sponsoring today's video, and thank you for always keeping me excited and motivated to continue learning Spanish.
Some hidden gems that can pop up weekly and throughout the year in Buenos Aires. Our first ones that we're going to talk about are festivals. So pretty much throughout the whole entire year, almost every single weekend, you can find like a festival slash feria going on in the city. And there are 2 Instagram pages that I highly recommend that you follow. Today, I followed one of their recommendations and we are at the very first sandwich festival. This has never been done before. There's Argentine sandwiches, so many different types of sandwiches. I'm extremely excited. You can probably hear behind me, we're actually at another type of hidden gem that I definitely did not know about my first time coming here, and that's the Hippodromo. In the Hippodromo, you can actually see like horses race for free, which is actually really cool. It's a really nice area to just walk around. And the Hippodromo specifically has different types of food festivals that go on all throughout the year. So let's go eat. About the sandwich festival, immediately I knew that I wanted a Korean poncho. This was 10,000 pesos, close to 10 USD, which may be high to people watching, especially if you're in Argentina, but this was actually the most like economic, affordable product that you could get here. Most burgers and sandwiches here were 15,000 pesos or more. So thankfully I wanted this. When you come to a festival, you're going to pay a little bit more, but I really was sticker shocked when I saw most of the wraps and sandwiches and things like that being 15,000 pesos up to like 20,000 pesos. It's a lot of money.
I think these are good. They're fun to go to. It's very easy to tell the difference between like a pop-up festival and like a feria where people come every week. And the difference between the two is like you could probably get the same thing cheaper, even better at the feria in the park as opposed to the pop-up feria of sandwiches. You know what I mean? It's fun to come to these, but you know you're not going to get a good deal. I still like coming to these even if I know I'm not going to buy the most expensive thing or even buy anything at all. We look at these places and we say, oh, that store looks really good. Let's look it up. Let's see where it is in the city and then we can go visit it. And of course, once you go and visit the store in person, the prices are going to be more regular.
Sorry, is Shannon Mayer?
Yeah.
I follow you on.
372.588 pesos. 20%.
And I wanted to share one other place where you can check out ferias and things happening and things like that, especially if it's fall or winter season and you want something to do inside, La Rural is another great place. And they usually have things going on again like every single weekend. So between El Hipódromo, Instagram pages that you can follow, and La Rural, you got some pretty good stuff to do weekly. That's fun.
And I'm going to share with you something now that I absolutely wish that I knew before coming to Buenos Aires or even vacationing for the first time, because when I first came to Buenos Aires, it was winter time and I did not pack for any winter cold weather. I just thought it wouldn't be that cold for me, but it ended up being extremely cold. And I was looking around for clothes. It's a shock for people who come here to Buenos Aires for the first time and want to buy clothes because things are just more expensive than in the US or Europe or Canada. But if you're looking to buy clothes, I definitely recommend you go to Once or Avellaneda and Flores. But if you go, definitely be mindful of your surroundings. I would definitely recommend that you go with a friend. Just kind of have someone with you. Don't like be the tourist whipping out your phone or your camera or your money or things like that. It's great if you know Spanish. And if you go to these areas, don't expect that you'll be able to try on the clothing. You may be able to, but you may not be able to. I've been there a few times. I always kind of get the advice that like you should not go there, but if you have general street smart, you will be okay. And I think that's what a lot of people who come to Buenos Aires or Argentina have kind of like universally agreed upon. It's like I think more people here say Buenos Aires is more unsafe, but if you have general street smarts, if you're with someone, if you're mindful of your belongings, you'll be okay.
Doesn't look too bad. Maybe I'll wait for this girl to go and then I'll just intro. Alright. Oh my god. I think it still looks good because you can see a lot of light in the background. Hello everyone and welcome back to another Buenos Aires vlog. Hello everyone and welcome back to another Buenos Aires vlog. Hello everyone and welcome back to another Buenos Aires vlog. Oh my gosh. Hello everyone and welcome back to another Buenos Aires vlog. This vlog is extremely